Good morning, students. Today we are going to discussing some basic concepts. So till now we completed matrices, but some new students joined. So today onwards we are starting with bridge course. So what we need basics and what you are not going to cover in first year intermediate. So those topics we will complete within 1 or 2 days. After that we will go to intermediate topics. Okay, so that is the first topic is here logarithms. See, we know very well, few students they know, SSC students in real numbers we have this topic, and the CBSE they don't know, so please listen. See here, n is a positive real number. N is positive real number. So this one you can read as positive real number. And a also positive real number but not equal to 1. A also positive real number but not equal to 1. And x belongs to any real number. And x belongs to any real number. Then you know very well exponential function a power x. If this value is nothing but you understand some n. So if a power x is equal to n, where a comma n are positive real numbers but a is not equal to 1 and x belongs to real number, then x is equal to log n to the base a is called the logarithmic function. Is called the logarithmic function. How you call? Log n to the base a. So you can understand here, if a power x is equal to n, if and only if x is equal to log n to the base a. Very, very important. So whenever a power x is equal to n, if you convert into logarithmic function, you just write this. If you have logarithmic function, if you want to convert into exponential function, you should write like this. For suppose 2 power 5, you know very well, 32. If you want to write this is exponential, this is an exponential form. If you want to write in a logarithmic function, 5 is nothing but log 32 base 2. Okay, see, very important definition. So please remember. So based on these logarithms, we have some properties. I just write all those properties here. First one is log a to the base a is equal to 1. Whenever you write in log a to the base a, you just understand because of this a is always here. What is the base? You consider that should be always greater than 0 but not equal to 1. Greater than 0 but not equal to 1 meaning one more way you can write like this: 0 less than a less than 1 and a is greater than 1. These two cases will happen. Okay, let us consider this is the real number line. So here 0 is there, here 1 is there, and after 1 we have some numbers. So a should be lies in between 0 to 1 or 1 to infinite. Don't consider this 1 or less than 0 numbers or 0 also. Okay, see log a to the base a is equal to how much here? Just remember, base and this domain both are equal, then you can say that value is equal to 1. Next, second one is formulas. Log 1 with any base. Log 1 to the base a is equal to 0. That means logarithm log value of 1 with respect to any base value 0. Here base should not be 1 and less than 0 or 0 also. So that a should satisfy this condition, then only this value is equal to 0. If I suppose log 1 to the base 15, this value is 0. Log 1 to the 2021, this value is 0. But log 1 to the base 1 does not exist because of a should not be 1. Log 1 to the base minus 15 because of negative number does not exist. Log 1 to the base 0 does not exist. Even log 0 also does not exist because of here n, what you are considering n, that should be also greater than 0, should not be 0 or less than 0. Just remember. Okay. Log 0 with any base, this is also does not exist. Remember. Next property. Log AB base x. Here in the place of a you can take any variable, no problem. Just remember, if you take any one here, that should be greater than 0, not equal to 1. If I taken like this, log AB to the base x, here a into b, two numbers whenever you have with the base x, this one you can expand as log a to the base x plus log b to the base x. These formulas you should remember. So if you remember the formulas, you can do the problems whenever you have the logarithmic functions in the different topics. Okay. So log AB base x is equal to log a to the base x plus log b to the base x. This will be expanded for any number of in this product. If you have more numbers, also we can expand like this. If I suppose log ABC base x is there, so log a to the base x plus log b to the base x plus log c to the base x. If log a b c d base x, log a to the base x, log b to the base x, log c to the base x plus log d to the base x. You can write like that. Next one, fourth one. Log a by b base x is equal to log a to the base x. Here a by b is there, so product is there plus, division is there minus, log b to the base x. Next one. Log, for suppose whenever you have log a into b by c into d, combined combination. Here it is a into b, in the denominator c into d. How you write? For numerator product you should write log a b base x minus log c into d base x. This one you can expand like this. Log ab to the base x means how can you write? Log a to the base x plus log b to the base x minus, you can expand this one also, log c to the base x plus log d to the base x. Because of before minus, we get both terms are negative. Log c to the base x minus log d to the base x. Okay. Next property is log a power n base x. For suppose we have log a power n base x. You just understand here log ab, log a by b is there. So don't expand for log a plus b and log a minus b. So we can't expand log a plus b base x is not equal to log a x plus log b x, or you can write log a b x. Don't write like that. Okay, actually these two are equal. So these two are not equal to log a plus b base x. Similarly, For log a minus b also we cannot expand it. Log a minus b means a minus b only. If you have same kind, you just add. If you have same kind, you just subtract. That's only. So you can't expand it. Okay. See here, log a to the power n base x. You just remember. Here for this one we have the power also. This n you can write outside. This is nothing but n into log a to the base x. Log a power n base x is equal to n into log a to the base x. Similarly, log a power n base a power n base x power m is there. Here power for a also, power for x also. So both have powers n comma m. So this one you can write as numerator power, that means here domain is there. Domain power you write in the numerator, and base power you write in denominator. N by m into log a to the base x. Okay, next one. Log a to the base x. If log a to the base x with, if x is the number, for this x here power is log a to the base x, you understand. If that means if this logarithmic base and here base, generally whenever you have some 2 power 5 you written, this 2 is called the base. Yes, here in this exponent, this is exponent actually. Here you understand log a to the base x is some element. So here this is the exponent. In this exponent here base is the x, and for the logarithmic also base is the x. Same bases, then this value is equal to, here what is the number, that is only our answer. For suppose log 5 to the base 2, here total base is 2. 2 power log 5 to the base 2 is there, then you write 5 only. Very, very important. Okay. So next one. Log a to the base x. Here b power log a to the base x is there. So you can rewrite, you can interchange these two. So this one you can rewrite if you want to, if our convenience. So b power log a to the base x is there. This one you can write as a power log b to the base x. We can interchange these two. Okay, you can interchange these two. B power log a to the base x, whenever if you want to write as a power log b to the base x, you can write, no problem. So these are the important properties in logarithms. Okay. So based on this one, you see some problems. First you write down. One more property. So whenever we have log x to the base a is there, this one, otherwise in the place of a you write y also, no problem. This one is nothing but you can write log x. If you want to take any other base, some a, log x to the base a, this a should be greater than 0 and not equal to 1. That should be in your mind. By log y to the base same a you should write. So what we have taken here a, same only we should be here. And if we have one more, log y to the base x is there. How you can write with the same thing? Log y to the base, same base a you can write, no problem, by log x to the base a. So based on these two, what can you write here? These two are reciprocal to each other. This is, let us take, it is some m by n, it is n by m. Yes. So what is the numerator? Here denominator. What is the denominator? Here numerator. So totally what can you say? This one is reciprocal of this one. So that's why what can you write? One more conclusion. Log x to the base y is equal to, if you want to write like this, you can write log y 1 by log y to the base x. For our convenience, you can use this formula also. Clear? So these are the basic important formulas. So based on this, I give some problems for you. Okay? See here problems. First question, find log 3125 base root 5. Second question, I am giving total questions here. Second question, log root to 3 root to 2 base 5832. Next question, log 0.2401 base 0.343. Next question, log root 3 root 3 root 3 root 3 base root 3. Next question, log of a power 4 base b power 5 into log b power 7 base c cube into log c power 9 base a power h. If you take these 5 questions, how to do once you see here. This one, first question, 3125 with root with base root 5 is there. So 3125 is a something power of 5. So what is that? 5 power 3125 is 5 power 5. You know very well. 5 power 5 is 3125. So this one you can rewrite as log 5 power 5. This root 5, actually we know very well in sorts, nth root of x is nothing but x power 1 by n. So here nothing there means root x, same, both same. Nothing there means you understand 2. So this one you can write as x power 1 by 2. Okay. So here we can write as 5 power 1 by 2. So you can use here the formula. What is the formula? Log a power n to the base x power m is nothing but n by m into log a to the base x. This formula you can use here. Yes. So this one is nothing but 5 by, here this is 1 by 2. That 1 by 2 should be in the denominator with log 5 to the base 5. So this reciprocal will goes to numerator. So 5 into 2, 10 into log a to the base a. Here a not equal to 1. Yes, not equal to 1 only. So log 5 to the base 5. That value is equal to 1. That is equal to 10. Like that, how to expand it. Actually, in intermediate topics, they may ask you the questions connecting with the logarithms. So in that question, if you want to expand like this, we can expand it. If you don't know that formula, you cannot expand. That's why you should remember. Next question, second question. This is log of root 3 base 5832. Okay. See here. This one, how can you write? This is nothing but log 3 root 2 whole power 1 by 2. First, this square root you can write as 3 root 2 whole power 1 by 2. 5832, how can you write? 5832. This is nothing but, if you have any doubt, 5832, just prime factorize, nothing is there. So, sir, how can I understand 3125 is 5 power 5 if I didn't get any idea? How can you do? So, actually, if you completed 10th class means you know how to do these problems, how to factorize this one, or how to write as a power of a number. Okay, if you don't know, we can't do anything. So, even though I just given one example for this one. Okay, 5832 if you have. Just find prime factorize. So, 2 is going on. So, here how many times? 2 2s are 4, that is 18. 6 2s are 18. 2 1s are 2. So, 12 is there. 2 6s are 12. Again 2 is there. So, that is nothing but 2, 1, 3. So, 1 is not going. So, that is 0. So, next here, sorry, directly you can take 1 6. That means 1308. Okay, next one, 2 is there again. So, 2 6 are 12. 5 2s are 10. 2 4s are 8. Next, like that if you do, you get here 5832 is nothing but, don't waste our time. So, you continue this procedure, you get this is nothing but 5832 is nothing but 3 root 2 whole power 6. Okay, because of here you may get 3 power 6 into, maybe here root 2 whole power 6 you will get. Root 2 whole power 6 you never get. Root 2 you never get. But how can you write this root 2? This root 2 is nothing but 2 cube. That means root 2 means 6 by 2 you get. You can, if whenever you have 2 cube, if you want to write in this form 6, this one you can write as root 2 whole power 6 you can write. That means this 3 you can write as 3 by 2 into 2. Because if you want to get a root in terms of root 2, here domain 3 root 2 is there. In terms of root 2 if you want to write, just multiply and dividing with 2. So this 3 into 2 6 you can write. This 1 by 2 you can write as root. Okay, that is the way here you should do. So this one you can write here, numerator 1 by 2 and denominator is 6 log 3 root 2 base 3 root 2. So this 6 comes to denominator only, that is 1 by 2 into 6. That means 2 into 6 you write, and 3 log a to the base a value is 1. This is nothing but 1 by 12. Next, come to the point, third question. 0.2401 base 0.343. See, you can understand 0.2401. Okay, once you think it out, 343 nothing but 7 cube. Very well. Okay, so here 0.343 after decimal we have 3 digits, so we can write it is 0.7 whole cube. 0.343 is nothing but 0.7 whole cube. Same 0.2401. Think so. One more 343 into 7. 3 7s are 21. Yes, this is nothing but 2401. 0.7 whole power 4 you can write. So this one you can write as log of 0.7 whole cube base 0.7 whole power 4. So how can I write? This is 3 by 4 into log 0.7 base 0.7, that is nothing but 3 by 4 into 1, that is nothing but 3 by 4. Like that you should expand it. Next question, see here. Root 3, root 3, root 3, root 3, like that we have. So this one we can't write like this because of in denominator, that means in the base only root 3 is there. So maximum you try to write in terms of 3. This one how can you write for this 3? 3 root 3. See, I simplify here. Root over 3 root 3 root 3 is there. So first you just avoid this root. How can I write 3 root 3 root 3 root 3 whole power 1 by 2. So it is in the form of a into b whole power 1 by 2. A power 1 by 2, b power 1 by 2. 3 power 1 by 2 into. This one you can write as root over 3 root 3 root 3. That's why I again you remove this root. So what you have 3 into root 3 whole power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2. Yes, for this one you have 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2 into whole power 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4 you get. So this one you can write as 3 power 1 by 2 into, for this 3 you have 3 power 1 by 4. Similarly for this 3 we have one more this root, that is 1 by 4 into 1 by 2, that is 2 4s are 8, you get 1 by 8. Same for this root 3 you have one more 1 by 8. For that 1 by 8 you get one more 2, that is 1 by 16, that is 1 by 16, 3 by 16. So if you expand it, what you have 3 power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16. Simplify this one, what you have 3 power 16 is LCM. So for this one 8, for this one 4, for this one 2, for this one 1. So this is nothing but 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 1 15, 3 power 15 by 16. So here I am directly writing 3 power 15 by 16. This root 3 we can write as 3 power 1 by 2. So we can write as 15 by 16 by 1 by 2 into log 3 base 3. This 2 here 8 times going. So what you have 15 by 8 into 1, that is nothing but 15 by 8. Next question. Next question is log a power 4 base b power 5 log b power 7 base c cube log c power 7 base a power 8. First, how can I write this one? 4 by 5 into log a to the base b into 7 by 3 into log b base c into 9 by 8 into log c base a. Just remember, this one I can write as 4 by 5 into just these constants I am writing outside into 7 by 3 into 9 by 8 into log a to the base b log b to the base c. So this log a to the base b with any base you can write as log a by log b. Here nothing there means you can understand here ER10. Here base is ER10. So I am not writing anything means just remember ER10 into log b by log c into log c by log a. Here what is the base? Same bases you can apply here. This is log a. Okay, see here log a, this log a cancel, log b cancel, log c cancel. Okay, so this formula also we know log x to the base y is equal to log x by log y. Same formula. So our total logs cancel. Here 4 by 5 into 7 by 3 into 9 by 8. You simplify, that is your answer for this question. Like that you have to simplify. Okay. Next problems. Next problem. Log 2 base 10 plus 7 into log 81 by 80 plus 12 into log 25 by 24 plus 16 into log 16 by 15 with all these bases you understand 10. Okay, this value he is asking. You just remember, whenever here I gave one formula, whenever you have log x to the base a plus log y to the base a, you can write as log xy to the base a, or log a to the base x plus log b to the any formula. So just the same formula you can write like this also. Log b to the base x, this is log a b to the base x. This one I gave you. So in this structure, if you have any other variables, you just understand that is on the formula. See here, whenever you, if you want to add this a, that means log a to the base x plus log b to the base x, if you want to use this formula, these bases should be same. Otherwise, we should not write like this. Okay, clear? See here, so just to try to use that formula here. So this is equal to log 2 base 10. So log 2 base 10, nothing to simplify here. Plus 7 into log 81. 81 you can write as 3 power 4. This 80, how can you write? 80 is nothing but here 240 times going, again 220 times going, again 10 times going, again 5 times going. This is 2 power 4 into 5 base 10 plus 12 into log 25 means 5 square by 24. 6 4s are 24. Actually it is 2 cube into 3. 2 cube into 3 with base 10 plus 16 into log 16 means you can write 2 power 4 base, that is 15 means 3 into 5 base 10 you can write. This is the simplifying the numbers here, numericals. So this is nothing but here 7 is there, 3 power 4 by 2 power 4 into 5 whole power 7 you can write for our convenience. That is this 12 also you can write 5 square by 2 cube into 3. So whole power 12 you can write plus 16 into log of 2 power 4 by 3 into 5 whole power 16 also we can write. That is our convenience. Okay, for our convenience we can write any one here. See, after that what can you write here? Logs, this formula you can use. Okay, see, first you write like that, log 2 base 10 plus log 3 power 4 by 2 power 4 base whole power 7 with the base 10 plus log of 5 square by 2 cube into 3 base 10 whole power 12 plus log of 2 power 4 by 3 into 5 base 10 whole power 16. So with a single log, if you want to, and that means if you want to simplify this one, so log of 2 into this one 3 power 4 by 2 power 4 into 5 whole power 7 into 5 square by 2 cube into 3 whole power 12 into 2 power 4 by 3 into 5 whole power 16 base 10. And you understand this formula you can apply whenever before this, for this logarithm only 1, before the number it should be 1, that means coefficient should be 1, that means nothing should be observed here, then only we can apply this formula. For suppose here some b is there, we can't, some c is there, you can't write this formula. If you want to write this formula, first c transpose to here, that is the intention. Okay, clear? So if you simplify, you get some value, that is your required answer. So what you get, that is, you see here, this is nothing but log 2 into 3 power 4 sevens are 28 by 2 power 4 sevens are 28 into 5 power 7. Next here 5 power 12 twos are 24, 3 12s are 36, 2 power 36 into 3 power 12 into 2 power 4 16s are 16 fours are 64 by 3 power 16 into 5 power 16. See this here 3 power 28 is there. Here 3 power 12, 3 power 16 is there. First you simplify it. Here 2 power 1 is there, 2 power 64 is there. So this one you can write as log 2 power 65 into, here 3 power 28 is there. So only 3 is there. So 3 power 28 here into 5 power 24 by. This is 2 power 28, 2 power 36, 50, 58, 64. So 2 power 64 into, here with the 3 is 3 power 12, 3 power 16. That means 3 power 28 into, here with the 5s, 5 power 16, 5 power 7. So 5 power 23. Okay, this is the simplest way. So 3 power 28, 3 power 28 get cancelled. 5 power 24 and 5 power 23 one time going. So 5 power 1. 2 power 64, 2 power 65 one time going on. So with the log base 10, so this is also base 10, this is also base 10. So what you have, this is nothing but leftover. 2 is there, 1 5 is there, 2 5s are 10 and the total denominator cancel. So log 10 to the base 10, this value becomes to 1. Okay. So I give some problems for you. So you just copy and do those problems for your homework. Okay. So if you do those problems thoroughly, then you can remember all these formulas. Okay. That's why I give some formulas for you. Okay. So I give I give you those problems homework in your notebook. Okay. Please copy it.